Okay, here is our Fender Tremolo system. We will unbox this thing and show you what it looks like. There's a tremolo bridge here and the tremolo arm. But these arm we'll take out and set aside to use later. Our job now is to get out the bridge and all of the attachment. The great sounding bridge is the one with an excellent big heavy duty block. This is where all your sustain and your strat tone comes from. You want one that's steel. You don't want ones that are cast out of the, they call them pot metal. It's die cast zinc and it's not good. You want a steel block. If you can get a machined one, that's great. But if you just buy a trem unit that has a steel block, you'll be doing great. And then the rest of the parts are underneath here. These are the screws to hold on the tremolo and the claw, and then here are the springs. So we will start mounting this baby into the body. Okay, the first thing we're going to do now is take the tremolo claw and attach the ground wire to it. Some have a little clip on it like this one, others don't, so you just have to do it. I've heated this thing up and put some solder on it in order to get it to have a good surface to solder to. But we want to crimp that wire down. Again, you want a good strong mechanical connection first, and then we will cook it a little. Get a little solder flowing on here. So we're going to heat this baby up to the point where it wants to melt, and we'll get some solder on it. Okay, not the smoothest, cleanest job in the world, but a good, strong physical connection that will serve us well on our tremolo claw, which will be installed into the back of the body. Okay, at this point we are going to install the claw in the back of the body with these two long screws that it comes with. After that, to actually tighten them, you need an extra long screwdriver so that you can not dent or scratch the body as you're doing this. You can see that goes in pretty easy. We'll install it about, so the screws hang out about 1 inch. So this is how it will end up looking, and then the last thing we do is fish this wire through the hole, which will go back around to the control cavity and pull it on through. Now you'll have wires from the output jack, both the white one and the ground, the black one, and then you'll have your tremolo claw ground, as well as you've got one point down here in the body that you're going to need to ground the pickups to, and I'll show you how to do that when we wire it up.